Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build an AI app with Claude in 3 minutes. Doing this is very simple, as we are using this artificial intelligence or AI intelligence tool. First, we are going to go to the sidebar, where we can see the artifacts section. So let's enter this section, and as you can see, there it is. And we just need to click on the new artifact option or button. Once we click there, we'll have this area where we can select different artifacts or templates to start with. Or if we want to do it from scratch, we can do that too. In this case, we are going to generate a single page application or SPA. So let's select that first option. So Claude will ask for more requirements to continue with the creation of these programs. In this case, we are going to paste the following prompt. Act as an expert full stack developer. Create a functional single-page application using React and Tailwind CSS for an income and expense management dashboard. Once sent this prompt, Claude will process our prompt and start generating. As seen on the right side, the code for everything we just request. It's worth mentioning that the quality of our artifacts will always depend on the model. In this case, we are working with Sonnet 4.6, but we have, among others, models to work with. So, for example, if we use Opus 4.7, the tokens will generated it's more expensive. So now we have our dashboard, and here it will give us a summary of everything that was done. And on the right sidebar, we'll see our created application. If you want to publish it, just click on the publish and then unpublish and copy the link. This will be public since we are directly using Claude. So every people will access to this page. If we want to copy the code, we just click on download as TSX, and by doing this we can see that we have our program with it, our code editor, which we can also work with. And that will be all for today.